I'm going to go ahead and read page 15. It says a kid stepped off a wall and jumped down to the sidewalk. That's evidence of a force, I said. A force made that guy fall down to the ground after he jumped. This page and lots of other pages in the book use the word evidence. Does anyone know what that word means? Evidence is information that helps explain something or answer a question. Observing a stroller starting to move is evidence that helps us know that a force acted on the stroller. When you observe your block starting to move, or my block and then your other object, they moved the other day, that was evidence of a force. You can't see the force itself, but you can see evidence that helps you know a force acted. Did you know there are no examples of a force acting on just one object? Let's look on the next page. On page 8, let's go ahead and read that. Then our friend Kai skated by. She rolled across the sidewalk and bumped into a fence. Are you okay? I asked. I'm fine, said Kai. I'm still learning how to skate. I used to fall down a lot, but now I'm getting better. Sometimes I use the fence to help me stop. That's it, suddenly. Kai was moving, and then she stopped when she hit a fence. When she stopped moving, that was evidence of a force. So we know that there was only Kai was the one object. She was the one moving really, really fast. But how did she stop? She used the fence to help her stop. And we know evidence of a force has to be something starting or stopping to move. Let's look at your first assignment. It says fill in the chart below by telling me the two objects that you read about. Tell me if it caused the object to start or stop moving and what page you found it on. So I have my first example. I have my object 1, which was Kai. She was rollerblading. And object 2 was the fence that helped her stop. The third question said, did this cause the object to start moving or stop moving? And I told you what page I found it on. Now it's your turn from the book to find 2 other examples. Remember, if you want to find this book and read it on your own, you're going to go to Classwork for Beeman. And if you see Unit 1 materials, it's going to be under forces all around, so you can read it all by yourself by clicking on it. From our investigation and discussion, we have figured out 2 new key concepts. This is 2 new bits of information that we now know. Let's look at that. We know that a force has to act between 2 objects. And when an object starts moving or stops moving, that is evidence that a force has acted on it.